Good morning from Bucas Granda Island. Bucas Granda Island. Sucurro, that's where we're at. I'm going to walk and talk. Today's going to be a walk and talk video. And, morning, my Muntag. All right. Today's actually the day of festival. And guys, I thought I would never say this, but you know what? I am porked out. I have had so much pork this past couple days and more pork today. Guys, don't be afraid to try dishes here if you come to the Philippines. Yes, they have, multiple dishes here and lots of pork, but some people put their own touch to a pork dish, or you know what I mean, a dish. But don't be afraid to try it out. I am walking with my bodyguard, Junior, here. Hi, Junior. We're on our way to get cotton candy, right? Junior wants some cotton candy. But, I don't feel fearful at all. Everybody, the hospitality on this island is incredible. The people are incredible. I've met so many family members and friends of family members, and they all invite you in to eat and enjoy the fiesta. Met a family member. I was a family member. It related to the family somehow. Their family is the original founders of this island, Bucas Granda. The island was actually called Sucurro, from what I'm told, 77 years ago. And the word Sucurro, from what my wife is telling me, and what I was told, means help. And that's how it was established. Fishermen or somebody like that was out fishing, and they fell overboard or whatever, and they yelled Sucurro and help, and somebody came along and took them. But that's what I was told. Like I said, it became Bucas Granda Island after that. Sure, it had to do with something with government. But I wanted to actually just take my time and walk down through this square here, this square block, and just kind of go through and just look at it really up close. From what I'm told, this year they have a competition, and each barangay is competing in this competition. Here it is right here. I was looking at this sign here. This is styrofoam. This is made out of styrofoam. All right. Of course, wood. But they say the first year where they're doing a competition, but isn't that just neat up there? How they did that colorful down through here. Like it's all handcrafted. Bamboo. All this is bamboo here. All the way down through here. Even on the inside, I'm looking, there's a bamboo pole inside, supports going up. Of course, they got some type of wire to hold it together. But I just love the craftsmanship here and the colorfulness right here. Happy 77th annual town fiesta celebration, Sucurro, June 18 and 19. Patron saint of Mother of Perpetual Help. Fiestas are it's a religious thing. That's what it is. It's a religious fiesta. But like my wife said, and like I was told, this is more about eating here. Everybody's eating. Also, like I say, so many people, hey, come on in and eat, come on in and eat. But my wife always says, do not go into a house, even if they invite you to eat. Don't go in if you don't know them, because they have a superstitious thing here where you don't know if somebody's gonna curse you. You know what I'm saying? But even through here, this is bamboo here. Of course, the little stars up there, that's store-bought. But it isn't just, like I said, it's just, to me, the craftsmanship. It's not a lot of money put into it. However, a lot of time has been put into it. They nailed things together. You see how they nailed it together. Hello. The You're paying for that. That's like a cloth. But even up top, hello, Mayang Buntag.
Hello, Mayang Buntag.
This up here, that is grass of some kind. Couldn't tell you. Hello, hello, welcome to my vlog. All right. Should have my tour guide or Uyak man, he would know for sure. And then you got like these hats here. That's made out of, I think it's made out of, I'm trying to think. Coconut maybe? Maybe coconut. Could be coconut. Oh, here we are, Junior. Here we are, Junior. Cotton candy for Junior. Hi, get a cotton candy, Junior. Hello. What do you want, Junior? Get a cotton candy. All right, one cotton candy. 20, only 20 pesos. 20 pesos only.
Yes.
Here's 15.
What color? What color?
Blue. You switched up now. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Hang on. I got another 5 for you right here. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
This one here, Lutz's nephew helped design. Happy Fiesta. Hey, all right. Welcome to my vlog. This one here, Lutz's nephew helped design. Hello. I think that's just neat. That is all bamboo, except for maybe the wood up there. But mostly bamboo, like little stand you could walk here, like a platform. I mean, that's a lot of time and effort with the people that did that. And have a selfie, huh? But isn't the colors are just beautiful? Gotta watch it, don't get run over. You don't want to come up, well, you come up here around 4 or 5 o'clock. It's just crazy busy with everybody up through here. But this here is, Junior, coconut? Coconut? I think this is coconut. Yeah, that is coconut. You can't, what it is when you're coming down through here, you can't really see the houses down through here. Well, that's right. Look at the electric. Check out this electric. That's a wiring mess. You see that all over the place. Little meters here. But all this here, obviously this is wood decoration here. And then they paint it. Yeah, that's like a real thin wood. It's all painted. But a neat little barangay. You know, I was walking around and you do have pretty much anything you would need for a barangay hardware store, places to buy groceries. I walked into a grocery store here and I was surprised just at the size of the grocery store. You have the M Lawyer, you have hardware stores. I don't know if they have motorcycle stores, like to buy motorcycles. But then you walk this way. Here's another street. Hello, Mayang Buntag. All right. Thank you. Happy Fiesta. See it here. Like they all have their own different designs, themes. You know, the big fish here and jellyfish. Speaking of jellyfish, we wanted to hit the what is it called? The cave. I can't even think of it. I apologize, but it's closed. It's closed. I don't know. It's closed for the holidays. I think they said it's closed for the holidays. We also wanted to get a motorbike, rent a motorbike, and just kind of roam around. But every place, sorry sir, out of stock. Every place has motorbikes rented. Sahota Cave, there it is. Sahota Cave, where the stingless jellyfish are, closed. We wanted to go out to a waterfall. However, to get out to this waterfall, you need a motorbike to get out there, and all motorbikes have been rented. I know we didn't plan ahead, right? What else did we want to do? Oh, we wanted to go out to where Lut was born. And the rain, we've had rain, heavy rain overnight, and they said it is nothing but a mud hole to get out there. And trikes won't take you out, so once again you need a motorbike. Kapihan, that's where we wanted to go. It's a small, like a small jungle village, literally a small jungle village out in the middle of nowhere. Couldn't get to that, but we'll get to these places because it's only an hour boat ride for us to get over here. And of course we have family, friends, place to stay, you know, plenty of food to eat from everybody that's on the island that we know or know. So we will get over here, but it's that's all right. We're having a good time. Here's this other entrance way. Like I say, it's like a block, a square block. Up here's umbrellas. They got the that's cloth, colored cloth. Hello. Colored cloth hanging. You see it. It's just colorful and beautiful. They got like a blue, white, turquoise color theme scheme going on down through here. Here's a gym to the left. Let me show you in here. At night they have disco. I don't know, why do they call it disco? It's a dance, right? Disco. Isn't that 70s? But they have the disco in here. They have basketball activities in here. Hello. Happy Fiesta. Here's the gymnasium. Very nice size gymnasium. At night, I was told this is packed. I could hear it. I could really hear it. We slept at Lutz's family member's house like 2 blocks up the road. I could hear the little thud, but it didn't bother me. Didn't bother me. They all have a special DJ probably tonight. But once again, another just nice gymnasium. And it's air conditioned. I highly doubt they turn on that air conditioning because I would imagine the bill would be through the roof. Let me shoot over to the park quick here. I got to show you the park because it's also a nice public park. And look, guys, I want you to look around. Look how clean it is. Look how clean it is here. The people take pride in their barangay. The people take pride in, you know, public areas. Let me go this way. A little muddy that way. I don't want to get no stink foot. Hello. Mayang buntag. Mayang buntag. I know you know Mayang buntag. Here's a little public park. Look at how beautiful it is. Decorated with the greenery and everything like that. Once again, look, it's just clean. And I don't think they may have somebody that comes through here and does clean it up. Hello, Mayang buntag.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Happy Fiesta.
Yeah.
All right.
Hello. What's your name?
My name is Brian.
Brian. My name is Rico.
Rico.
My name is MLG.
MLG.
My name is Jack.
Jack.
My name is Johnson.
All right. Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah.
All right.
Where are you from?
Well, you can see, beautiful.
Where are you from?
I am from the United States of America. Yeah. I don't know if that's the founder of Sucurro. Look would know by looking. But you see it. It's a beautiful park. There's nothing there that says who it is. Yeah. Then you get the little playground area over here. Kids come here and play. Even at night when we walk down through here, there was just families, kids playing, and it was a really activity going on. Here there's a couple vendors set up and through here later on this afternoon. So they'll, hello, happy Fiesta. Anyways, let's work our way out. You can see it's getting dark over here. I don't know, we may go back today. Let me tell you why. It is a madhouse the day after Fiesta, getting off this island. Huh? Who's that?
Hey, Rizal.
Oh, that's Rizal.
She
Oh,
is the savior.
savior of the Philippines. Yes, all right. Thank you, now I know. Salamat.
Salamat.
All right, so there we go. The kids know. It's a madhouse. You get down to the port, and there are just people all over the place. There's no organization. There's no lines being formed. There's no seniors first and pregnant women first and children first. It is a madhouse dash. So I told Lud, I said, we may, hello, happy fiesta. All right. We may just roll out of here today because there are boats going back. Like I said, I am porked out. So let's just finish our walk up through here. What a very good time. Good. Yes, beautiful. It's getting ready to rain. Hey, happy fiesta. It is getting ready to rain. I can feel the wind picking up. The wind blowing. Hello, my friend. My buntag. I can feel it. I can feel the rain. We're 2 blocks away. Oh, here's a special DJ right here. Jason Fernandez, celebrity guest. All right, we're ready to get out of here. I gotta go home before it starts raining. Lut and her mom went up to the big Bucas store. They're up there hanging out and, of course, shopping. I said, well, I'll see you in a couple hours. And they just laughed. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the little string of videos that I just put out here down here in Sucurro. Like I said, it's a really, really friendly island. Hello, you see it. So, you ate all your candy. All right. Now I got an amped up sugar kid, right? Take him home to his mom and dad. But anyways, happy fiesta. Oh no, here comes Norberlin. He's awake. Happy fiesta. Uka. Yeah. So, all right, guys, and you hear it already. Video going on, and with that, I guess we'll see you back on Sucurro Island.